Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Rizal Khondukar in front of camera. I would like to share my journey at English therapy. Before joining English therapy, I was visiting my friends, and while walking, I noticed this institution. Out of curiosity, I asked my friends about it. He spoke very positively and shared good feedback from the students and the learning environment. At that moment, I decided that I must learn to speak English before coming here. I worked for 4 years in a washing plant. I completed my MBA in accounting in 2020. During my 90 days journey at English therapy, I attended all the classes regularly. Those 90 days have been the best learning period of my life. Now I truly believe I can speak English confidently in front of everyone, and the environment of English therapy is perfect for learning English. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.